Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a set from DILR section of CAT 2020 slot 1 paper. So set is based on drivers rating. So the question is, the local office of the app cab company evaluates the performance of 5 cab drivers, Arun, Varun, Chandan, Damodran and Iman for their monthly payment based on rating in 5 different parameters P1 to P5. So P1 parameter is for timely arrival, P2 is for behavior, P3 for comfortable ride, P4 for driver's familiarity with route, and P5 for value of money. Now, based on the feedback from the customers, the office assigns a rating from 1 to 5 in each of these parameters. Each rating is an integer, from a low value of 1 to high value of 5. The final rating of a driver is the average of his ratings in these 5 parameters. So suppose we need to find the final rating. So what we need to do is we need to calculate the average value of all the 5 parameters, right? The monthly payment of the driver has two parts, a fixed payment and a final rating based bonus. If a driver gets a rating of 1 in any of the parameters, he is not eligible to get the bonus. To be eligible for bonus, a driver also needs to get a rating of 5 in at least one of the parameters. So किसी भी driver की किसी भी parameter में rating 1 आ जाती है, तो he won't be eligible for bonus. And to be eligible for getting the bonus part, you need to have a 5 in at least one of the parameters. किसी ना किसी एक parameter में तो at least 5 होना जरूरी है. The partial information related to the ratings of the driver in different parameters and monthly payment structure is given in the table below. So see, this is the partially completed table in which like we can see that Arun has got a rating of 4 in P4 parameter. ठीक है, the fixed payment for Arun is 1000 rupees. Now this bonus part. Now let us understand this. Suppose Arun gets an average rating of 4, so his bonus will be 250 into 4, that is 1000 rupees, like this, right? Some additional information is also given to us. First is Arun and Varun have got a rating of 5 in exactly one of the parameters. Chandan has got a rating of 5 in exactly 2 parameters, and none of the driver has got the same rating in 3 parameters, right? So this was the set, this was the question. Now moving to first question of the set. Now if Damodaran does not get a bonus, then what is the maximum possible value of his final rating? Damodaran ko bonus nahi mila hai. Now see, first of all let us write these two condition. Although ये particular question condition पे based नहीं रहेगा, तो दामोदरन को बोनस नहीं मिला है. Now this can happen in two cases. First, दामोदरन को एक भी 5 नहीं मिला हो, फर्स्ट केस. और सेकंड केस, दामोदरन को 5 तो मिला हो बट उसको 1 भी मिला हो. नाउ 1 मिलते ही आप एलिजिबल नहीं है बोनस के लिए, राइट? नाउ लेट अस चेक. नाउ वी नीड टू मैक्सिमाइज द एवरेज. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट व्हाट आई विल ट्राई टू डू इज मैं यहाँ पर 5 वैल्यूज दे देता हूँ. नाउ आई कैन गिव अ मैक्सिमम ऑफ 25. व्हाई? None of the driver has got the same written in 3 parameters, तो मैं 3 बार 5 वैल्यू नहीं दे सकता हूँ, right? Now let us give the second highest value 4 and 4. So this makes the total to be 21, right? 5 and 3 8, 13 and 8 is 21. So when we divide this 21 by 5 to get the average value, we'll get 4.2. But there is some error in this part. What is the error? See, we need to give at least 1 राइट? ऐसा केस रहेगा तो उसको बोनस मिल जाएगा, राइट? तो दिस इज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू दैट ही कैन स्कोर, द मैक्सिमम एवरेज. बट हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है कि जब उसको बोनस नहीं मिला है, तो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी नीड टू असाइन एटलीस्ट 1 टू हिम. ठीक है, और वो किसकी वैल्यू पे दे, किसकी वैल्यू के उस पे देना चाहिए हमें? आई थिंक 4 की जगह हमने इसको 1 दे दिया. तो नाउ लेट अस चेक फॉर द टोटल. नाउ 5 3 8 plus 5 15 16 and 4 18. Now 18 when divided 5 by 5, the rating will be 3.6. Fine. Now again let us check for this case also कि उसको 5 एक भी केस में नहीं मिला हो. यदि 5 नहीं मिला है तो I am assuming कि उसको 4 मिला है. 3 वैल्यू फिक्स थी P2 के लिए. P3 में ये स्कोर 4, again 3 and then a 2. Now again उसका स्कोर मैक्सिमम करने के लिए मैंने हाईएस्ट पॉसिबल वैल्यूज दी हैं, बट देन क्योंकि उनको कोई भी 5 नहीं मिला है, दैट मींस ही इज नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर बोनस पार्ट. तो 4 plus 3 7 and this 14 and 2 is 16, divided by 5 is 3.2. Fine. सो दिस वाज द मैक्सिमम रेटिंग जो उसको मिल सकती थी, बट इस केस में उसको बोनस मिल जाता, तो वी वोंट बी कंसीडरिंग दिस पार्ट। जब हमें बोनस नहीं देना और सारी वैल्यूज मैक्सिमम दी है हमने, तो हमको एक वैल्यू 1 देनी पड़ेगी सो दैट ही डज नॉट गेट द बोनस पार्ट। और उस केस में जो हमारा एवरेज आएगा दैट विल बी 3.6। सो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज 3.6। मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if imam does not get the bonus, what is the minimum possible value of his rating? Now see, here we need to find the minimum value. A minimum value dena hai, so what we can do is we will try to assign the minimum values possible to imam. Now imam ko minimum kya kya values hum de sakte hain? He gets a bonus, usko bonus mila hai, that means उसने 1 तो score नहीं किया होगा, right? 1 नहीं स्कोर किया तो मैं मिनिमम वैल्यू 2 देता हूं। नाउ 2 टाइम्स आ चुका है, राइट? देन वी कैन असाइन हिम अ वैल्यू ऑफ 3, देन 3, अब 3 भी 2 टाइम्स आ चुका है, वी कैन नॉट यूज एनी वैल्यू फॉर 3 टाइम्स, राइट? तो 2 भी हम 2 बार यूज कर चुके हैं, 3 भी हम 2 बार यूज कर चुके हैं, नेक्स्ट आई विल यूज 4। so this makes the total to be 2 plus 3 5 3 8 12 and 14, so the average from here comes out to be 2.8। ठीक है, but again there is an error in this part। what is the error? यदि हम ये वैल्यूज दे देते हैं तो इट वाज द कंडीशन कि उसको एटलीस्ट 1.5 स्कोर करना पड़ेगा तभी उनको बोनस मिल पाएगा, राइट? तो व्हाट आई कैन डू हियर इज आई कैन जस्ट रिमूव दिस 4 और उनको यहाँ 4 की जगह एक 5 देना जरूरी है। So now the total will become 15, and when 15 divided by 5, average will be 3. So the minimum possible value of his rating will 3. Fine. Now moving to next question. If all the 5 drivers get bonus, सबको बोनस मिला है, तो what is the minimum possible value of the monthly payment? हमको minimize करना है वैल्यू को। Now see, here we need to use these condition as well. Arun and Varun have got a rating of 5 in exactly one parameter. So let us assume कि अरुण को यहाँ पे 5 मिला है, वरुण को भी यहाँ पे 5 मिला है। Chandan has got a rating of 5 in exactly 2 parameters. Chandan को 5 exactly 2 parameters पे मिला है, and none of the driver has got same rating in 3 parameters। ठीक है। Now if all the 5 driver get bonus, what is the minimum possible value of monthly payment? Minimum, we need to minimize the minimum payment, so for that what we need to do is we need to minimize the rating। अब सबको बोनस मिला है तो we cannot assign the value of 1 to any of the driver, otherwise he won't be getting the bonus part। so let us start from 2। suppose यहाँ पे 2 मिला है, यहाँ पे 2, now we have used 2 times, हम 3 times use नहीं कर सकते, तो एक बार we will use 3। here 5 we have already used, so let us use 2 2s and 1 3, then 2 and 3। what I am trying to do is I am trying to fill these vacant places by minimum value possible। I cannot use 1, so I am using 2। जब 2 बार यूज हो गया then I will move to 3। अब जब 3 भी 2 times हो चुका है then I will go to 4। but then 4 के केस में दामोदरन को बोनस नहीं मिल पाएगा, we need to assign at least 1 5 ना, so यहाँ पर 5 आ जाएगा। again 2 then 3 then 3, and we need to assign at least 1 5। now for Arun the average will be, the total for Arun is 5 plus 2 9 13 and 16, so the average will be 16 divided by 5, that is 3.2। now the bonus part for Arun is average multiplied by 250, so that is how much? 800 rupees, and the fixed payment was 1000 rupees, so in total Arun will receive 1800 rupees। fine। so we have calculated this for Arun, now let us calculate for others as well। okay, so for Barun the average value is 3 plus 5 8 2 10 and 15, this was the total value for B, right? so the average will be 15 divided by 5 is 3, and the bonus is 200 rupees, so the bonus part will be 600 rupees, and the fixed value is 1200, so that will again make it 1800। fine। now for C the total is 5 plus 5 10 14 and 17। 17 when divided by 5 will give us 3.4, and we need to multiply the bonus with 100, so that makes us 340 rupees, and the fixed part was 1400, so the total will be 1740। fine। again moving to next part, Damodaran, so the average for Damodaran will be 2 plus 3 5 7 10 15, average will be divided by 5 3, and 3 into 150 will make it 450 rupees. So 450 plus 1300 is 1750. Fine. And last is Iman. So the total value for Iman is 5 and 5, 10 and 15. 15 when divided by 5, the average will be 3. 3, we need to multiply this 3 by 200. So the bonus part will be 600 rupees. And 1100 was fixed payment, so the total comes out to be 1700. Now this is the minimum value possible. So the answer to this question is 1700 for Iman. Right? And moving to last question of this set. If all the 5 drivers get bonus, what is the maximum possible value of monthly payment? Now in the previous question we minimize the value. Now in this particular question we need to maximize the value. Now moving to the conditions that are given to us. अरुण को एक पैरामीटर में 5 मिला है, वरुण को exactly 1 पैरामीटर में 5 है, and Chandan has got 5 in exactly 2 of the parameters. Now what I need to do is I need to maximize the value. So what I will do is I will fill the remaining blocks with the highest possible values. I won't be giving 1 to any one of them, right? So let us fill the value with 4. Now we have 2 4. अब एक और 4 नहीं दे सकते हैं, that will contradict second condition. So I will give 3 and 3. So the total here is 5 and 4 9, 12, 16 and 19. So 19 when divided by 5 for Arun, 19 is the total value. When divided by 5 to calculate the average, this will give us 3.8. And when multiplied by 250, so this will be, I think, 950 rupees. So 950 is the bonus part, 1000 is the fixed part, total will be 1950. Moving to B, Varun. Now we have to give exactly 1 5 to him. So 2 बार 4 देते हैं, 1 बार 3 देते हैं, right? So the total is 5 plus 4 plus 4 is 13, 16 and 19 again. Divide by 5, average will be 3.8. Multiply by 200. So the bonus will be 760 rupees and the fixed part is 1200 rupees. So the total becomes 1960 here. Moving to C, 5 we have already given 2 times, and let us give 4 in the remaining 2 places. So 18 and 2, 20. 20 divided by 5, average is 4. Need to multiply this by 100. So the bonus amount would be 400 rupees and the fixed value was 1400. So total becomes 1800. Right? For Damodaran, we can give 2 5 and 2 4. So the total becomes 21. Average becomes 4.2. You need to multiply the average with 150. So this value comes out to be 630, I think, right? Now 630 is the bonus part and 1300 is the fixed part. So the total becomes 1930. And last for Iman, we can give 5, 5, 4, 4. So this is the total becomes 20. Average becomes 4. When we multiply this average by 200, the bonus part becomes 800 rupees. Fixed part was 1100, so the total becomes 1900. Now we need to find the maximum possible value of the monthly payment that the drivers get. So I think the answer is 1960. That is the maximum value that we are getting. The correct answer is option A, that is 1960. So overall, this was an easy set, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. In case you have any doubts or you have any queries, you can contact us. Fine. Thank you.